If you think TikTok is an app only for kids or people who are doing the latest trends, I'm going to show you how you can use this popular platform to make money with affiliate marketing. And you can even do this without showing your face. I'm also going to show you a powerful free tool that you can use that'll filter out other people's most popular viewed videos, and it's going to rank them from most viewed video to the least viewed video. So stick around. Hey, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you a few examples of people who are using TikTok to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you didn't think this was possible, I just want you to think about this for a second. TikTok is a social media platform, and people use social media platforms to grow their business, gain followers, build their influence, etc. And TikTok is no different. And if you want a resource that'll help you come up with ideas for TikTok videos, help you grow your followers, then check out the resource down in the description below. It's a $1 training that shows you how to do that. Okay, first things first, you need to pick a niche. Now this can be anything that you're passionate about. So in this video, we're going to be looking at two examples. One is going to be the dog training niche, and the other one is going to be the manifestation niche. And these are two TikTok accounts where they're not even showing their face at all. So here's a TikTok account called Dogs Training, and this is a faceless TikTok account. So if you notice, they're not showing their face in any of these videos. What they did is they actually took a bunch of clips from the internet and they reposted them on their own account. So all their videos are just showing dogs, funny dog clips, and they only have a few videos, but they have a lot of followers and they have a lot of views on their videos. So basically you can just get these clips from the internet. Now I'm not saying that you should, because you're basically copying or just stealing other people's videos, but this is just an example. Now if you look at the link in their bio, it's a bit.ly link, but when you click on it, it's going to take you to an affiliate offer called Brain Training for Dogs. Now this is actually a ClickBank offer. So I'm going to actually show you where you can find this product on ClickBank. So if we come over to ClickBank, if you don't have an account, it's pretty easy to create an account. You just sign up and you create a free account and you're going to fill out your information. Now when you're logged in, you're going to see something called the marketplace, and this is basically where you can find different categories for different products. So I'm going to show you where you can find the Brain Training for Dogs affiliate product. All you have to do is just come over to the search bar and just type in Brain Training for Dogs. And it's this product right here, Brain Training for Dogs, and the average dollar per conversion is $31.79. What that means is every time somebody clicks on your affiliate link for this product and they buy it, you're going to earn $31. So let me just show you what the sales page looks like. So it's pretty simple. So this is the exact same sales page that this TikTok account is referring people to, Brain Training for Dogs. So I'm going to show you another TikTok account that has even more followers than this one, and they're not showing their face either. So this TikTok account is called Manifestation 365. So they're not showing their face in any of their videos. What they're actually doing is they're getting stock video footage from a stock website and they're uploading it onto TikTok. And they're adding a song to it or a popular sound, and they're just putting some text over the image or the video. So let's take a look at a couple of examples of their videos. So this one is just stock footage, some more stock footage, some more stock footage, and even some more stock footage. So basically with this process, what you're going to want to do is pick an affiliate program. And like I mentioned, there's plenty of different ones that you can sign up for. ClickBank is one of them. Here's another affiliate program that you can sign up for free called Digistore 24. And you can also sign up for the Amazon Associates program. So it's the same thing. It's an affiliate program for Amazon that you can sign up for and start recommending products. And when people click on your affiliate link and they buy those products, then you earn a commission. Then once you pick an affiliate program to sign up with, you're going to want to pick a niche. Then once you pick an affiliate program to sign up with, you're going to want to pick a product to promote that's related to your niche. This Dogs Training TikTok account, they're promoting a product called Brain Training for Dogs because it's related to what their channel is all about, which is dogs. And Manifestation 365, they're promoting a product that has to do with manifestation and law of attraction because that's what their TikTok account is all about. So if I click on the link for this one, Manifestation 365, so now it's going to bring me to this other page right here, and it says click here to watch this video. So this is a sales video that I can watch, and then it's going to offer me this product at the end of the video. But this is actually a ClickBank offer. I don't know if you can see in the bottom left corner right here, it says clickbank.com. So I'm going to show you where you can find this product on ClickBank. So I just came to ClickBank and I typed in bioenergy code in the marketplace because I seen that in the title of the URL of that other page. So if I click on it right here, it brings me to the same page where I can watch a sales video and it's going to offer me the same product. Now, if you want to create a TikTok account where you don't have to show your face, I'm going to show you where you can get stock footage just like this, and you can post it on your own TikTok account. So it's as easy as coming to this website right here called pexels.com. Now this is a website where you can download free stock photos and also stock videos. All you have to do is just pick the category. So for this example, I'm going to click on videos, and then I'm just going to type in anything as an example. So I just typed in ocean. Now what you're going to want to make sure to do is you're going to want to make sure that it's going to be in the same format that people are going to see TikTok videos in. So these are all landscape format, but most people who are on TikTok, they're all looking at TikTok on their phone. So you're going to want to change the orientation. So just come over to the right where it says orientation and click on vertical. So basically this is the right format to use for TikTok videos. Now you can download any of these videos onto your phone and then just upload them onto TikTok and just put some text over it and use a popular sound. That's basically what this TikTok account is doing. Okay, so those are two examples of TikTok accounts that aren't showing their face at all. Now we're gonna take a look at another example where somebody is showing their face and they have a huge TikTok following. And I would recommend you create an account where you're showing your face if you don't mind being on camera. Because when you show your face, you start to build that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. People will relate to you more because they can see who they're watching and they might have some similarities to you. But real quick, I just want to mention, if you're getting value from this video so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the video and it'll help YouTube show this video to other people. And if you're brand new to my channel, I just want to first welcome you. My name is Benjamin, and if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So here's another TikTok account where this guy is obviously showing his face and he's sharing some weight loss tips. Now, if you notice, he has a lot of followers and he has a lot of views on his videos. This guy, he's just like a regular person. He's not a medical expert. He even states right here in his profile, not medical advice. And all he's doing is just reading off of a script and sharing some basic health tips that can help people lose weight. So let's take a look at a couple of his videos. So this video says, what happens if you stop eating bread for 30 days? So he has captions to go along with what he's saying. So you can follow along if you can't really hear him, which is better for viewer engagement. Let's take a look at another video. 5 foods that you should never eat again. Let's take a look at this video right here. What happens if you stop eating carbs for 30 days? So he's not dancing in any of his videos. He's not doing any trends. All he's doing is just sharing some useful information. So this is how easy it can be to gain a lot of followers and get a lot of views on your TikTok account just by delivering value and just helping people solve a problem that they're having. So let's take a look at the link that he has in his profile. So it takes me to a landing page where I have to enter in my name and my email address to get a low sugar diet plan with delicious recipes that tells you exactly what to eat to lose weight and get healthy fast. So let me go ahead and skip this part real quick. So I forgot to mention that you should create a landing page which is going to collect people's emails before you send them straight to an affiliate offer. Now this is optional, but if you're serious about affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend creating a landing page where you can collect people's email address and you can follow up with them through a series of emails. Because most people don't buy something the first time that they see it. It takes multiple exposures before they're ready to make a buying decision. And collecting somebody's email address and sending out a series of emails to them is the best way to do it. Now, if you're looking for a software where you can collect somebody's email address, create a landing page, and follow up with them through a series of emails, I would highly recommend GetResponse. Their cheapest plan is $15 a month, and they have all 3 of these features included in their basic plan. And if you want to check out a 30-day free trial using GetResponse, I'll leave a link in the description down below. So after I do that, it brings me to this page right here, which is another ClickBank offer called the Custom Keto Diet. So basically, this is a survey that anybody would just take to get access to their own customized keto plan diet. Now this is pretty clever because people are actually investing their time to fill out this information. And I'll show you where you can find this ClickBank product. So I just typed in custom keto diet right here. And if I click on this sales page, it's going to show me a short video that I can watch. And then it says, get your custom keto diet. So it's the exact same page that I was sent to when I clicked on Dave's weight loss link in his profile. So basically it's just a short survey that I would fill out, just asking a few questions about my activity level and then basically what I like to eat. And basically as I go through the survey, it's going to just give me my customized keto plan diet if I buy the product. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm gonna show you a powerful free tool that you can use to see other people's most viewed video on TikTok. So this is a free Chrome extension, so it only works on desktop in Google Chrome. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is open up Google Chrome and you're gonna type in sort for TikTok, or you can just type in Chrome Web Store. So it's gonna be this one right here, sort for TikTok. So it's gonna take me to the Chrome Web Store. So I'm gonna click on this. Now, if you don't already have this installed, it's gonna say add to Chrome. So that's what you're gonna click on. You're gonna click on add to Chrome, but I already have it installed, so that's why it's saying remove from Chrome. And the icon is gonna look like this little S right here. Now, when you add this Chrome extension, you're gonna wanna make sure to pin it to your toolbar. So I have it pinned right now. So if you don't have it pinned, you're not gonna see it in the toolbar right here. So that's why I recommend you just have it pinned so you can easily see it, and you can also just easily search people's videos. Then you're gonna come to TikTok and you're gonna look at an account that you wanna see their most viewed video. So I'm just gonna use this account right here as an example since I already have it open. So all you're gonna do is just click on this Chrome extension where it says sort for TikTok, and then you're gonna click on start. And then it's gonna start sorting their most viewed video to the least viewed video. So as you can see, this one right here is their most viewed video. Now 9.5 million, 4.5, 4.1, 3.3, 2 million, 1.5. And basically it's just sorting it from the most to the least amount of viewed videos. So why is this tool so important if you're creating TikTok videos? You can search other TikTok accounts that are in your niche and you can see their most viewed videos. You can see what they're doing in their videos. Are they showing their face? Do they have a catchy hook in the beginning of their videos to capture their audience's attention? Are they speaking with a lot of energy? Are they using a popular sound in their video? And are they telling people to follow them? So this tool basically shows you what other people are doing on their most viewed videos, and you can kind of study that and analyze what they're doing. And you can just model that same format to get more views on your TikTok videos. Using this strategy helped me grow my TikTok account to over 10,000 followers. And I'll leave my handle in the description if you want to follow me on TikTok. So here's a question for you. What are some of the struggles that you're dealing with as an affiliate marketer, whether you're new or you've been in affiliate marketing for a while? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you want to learn 3 ways to get started with affiliate marketing without a website, then check out this video right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, make sure to hit that like button. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.